So over here, you can see that there are multiple slides right here with different contents. Now, let's say what I want to do now is replace out the content that I have right here. So for that, you can actually use sets and replace function right here in Terabox slide editor. So to do that, around over here on the top, you see the find and replace, and you can go around over here. And let's say, for example, sets for education right here. And it sets out, let's say 19 education word right here, just like this. If I want to go ahead and replace this out right here, let's just go ahead and search, and this is what you have. Let's just go back right here. So you can go ahead on to replace, and then you can see that this word is there. I can go ahead and replace it out with the word learning. You can go ahead and replace it out right here, just like this. And what happens is that it replaces it out with the word learning, as you can see. And if I were to go around over here and then click on replace all right here. So if I were to go ahead right here, replace with learning, replace all, then it replaces out the word education in all of the slides as learning, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the search and replace content in slide inside of Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.